Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Swift car. First, ensure your car is safely parked and the engine is running or the ignition is on accessory mode. This provides power to the infotainment system and allows for proper pairing. Having your phone fully charged is also a good practice, preventing any unexpected power interruptions during the setup process. Always prioritize safety, completing these steps before you start driving. To begin your wireless connection, turn on Bluetooth on your mobile device, making sure it is discoverable. On your car's touchscreen, navigate to the main menu and locate the Bluetooth settings. From there, select the option to Add Device or Pair New Device. Your car will then search for available devices. Once your phone's name appears on the car's display, select it to establish the connection, often followed by a confirmation prompt on both devices. For a wired connection, you will need a certified USB cable, connecting your smartphone directly to the car's USB port. This method often unlocks advanced features such as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, providing a rich, integrated experience. Your car's system will usually detect the connection automatically. Simply follow any prompts that appear on your phone or the car's display, accepting permissions to allow the systems to communicate effectively. Experiencing connection issues can be frustrating, but several simple steps can help. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your car's infotainment system completely. Sometimes, a quick reset is all that is needed to resolve minor glitches. If that does not work, delete any existing pairings from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and your car's device list. Then, attempt the pairing process again from the beginning, as if it were a brand new connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.